Deal Surgeons, Elite Masterminds, what's going on? This is Diamond Life. Now, I'm actually doing this review because I've been shooting my videos on this device here, and I found out how to show the execution. So I hate to say, but somebody in my Discord group for Deal Surgeons, they actually said nobody can predict the weekly open. I was told that somebody in our group said nobody can predict the weekly open, and he's probably lying about him getting into the trade. Okay, so I found a way to do the executions on a different device. So if you understand TradingView, and I just hate that I have to do this, I guess people think since they're bullshitting with trading, meaning that they're not willing to die for it, they're just interested, or they think they're serious, right? They think they're serious, but they're really not. I think they think that they're that way. Everybody's that way, because they're that way. Now, if you understand TradingView, then the blue arrow means execution, right? So this is the weekly open, just like I said on my video. It's ridiculous, man. So that's Friday right there. Okay, look at the bottom down there. I know it's small. You can see it Sunday. Now, actually, I got in a lot sooner than I said on my video. Because remember, if you watch the video that's coming after this, but I posted another video, that video earlier, I said that I actually got in over here somewhere. I actually got in early because I understood that price had to come up here because this is a glitch in the matrix, my trading system that I discovered. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. It's going to be a real quick video. I think I'm going to merge this video with the last video and then just repost it. So that's the execution right there, the blue arrow. If you understand how TradingView, you can connect your broker to TradingView. Now look, there's the red arrow up there. Okay, this means that I got out. It's ridiculous, man, that the person didn't believe me. I just took offense to that because I'm like, man, some people out here not playing around with this stuff, man. I mean, I know that's hard for people to believe, because they can't fathom how somebody would just take it so seriously because they're like, well, if this don't work, I could just go, I could just go do something else. But some people don't have something else, and so when you look at the chart that way, you really have to, like everything ICT said, I remember thinking like, if I can't get this, if I can't understand this chart without a goddamn indicator, I'm done. So when you look at it like that, you have to make this work. That's how I was thinking about it. But the whole point of this is me showing the executions. I found a way to show the execution. So what I probably do is show the executions and then I'll go to my other, the way I normally do the video. So just want to show the execution. That's the blue arrow. And that's the red arrow right there, which is above the purple shaded area, which is my glitch in the matrix trading system. It shows me exactly where price will go. This is 6 weeks in a row. Thanks for watching. Deal Surgeons, Elite Masterminds, what's going on? This is Diamond Life. And so I'm doing a win review on US 30, okay? So let me make sure I turn on the annotation so I don't remove my drawings, okay? Now, basically, what I'm about to show you right now is something I call the glitch in the matrix trading system. It's something that I'm not going to tell people how it works, okay? Like ICT teach, you always want to save something for yourself. But I will show you that this has worked 6 weeks in a row. I saw it about 6 weeks ago, and it seemed like it was, I'm not going to say too good to be true. I'm just glad I found something that has been proven, because I've been seeing things work maybe 2 times in a row, 3 times in a row, but here it is 6 weeks in a row now since I found it 6 weeks ago. So basically, the way it works is, this is Friday right here. Look down there at the bottom. This is Friday. And so this is a new week Sunday. So what I'm trying to tell you is that for the last 6 weeks, I've only traded this with live money the last 2 weeks. Okay, I had to see it work week after week after week before I actually put real money into it. So what I'm trying to tell you is that this shadow up here, this is in a way shadow trading, but it's a lot deeper than shadow trading. Even though shadow trading is really good for people who's new, okay? So what I'm trying to tell you is that I knew price would come up here, okay? So what I did when price opened, I kind of got late to the market when the market opened at 1800. So I actually got in about 2 hours later. So on this device right here, it's not showing my executions, okay? So, but I actually got in right here, okay? And I put an alert down here. Let me show you where I put my alert at. So I actually was talking to a friend today that I met,
at Starbucks, and I was telling her that I had a stop loss. My stop loss was down here. This is where it got hit. Actually, you still can see the alert right here. That's what that white line is right there. Let me actually click on it so you don't think I'm lying. Look at this. So it says took previous respected bullish breaker. So this was my stop loss down here. I didn't have a actual stop because on US 30 the spread is so high. Sometimes the broker stop you out and play games with you, meaning that my stop could have been down here, but when price came down here, my stop was down here, but I had a alert for the stop loss, meaning if I had a physical stop when price was here, the spread could have opened up so far they would have took me out, and then price would have went up here anyway, and I would not have hit my target. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is that before the market opened, I knew price would come up to this purple line right here based on the glitch in the matrix trading system that I created. Okay, well, I'm not gonna say I created, I actually discovered it. And I feel like the universe showed it to me because of the dedication, you know. It's kind of like a video game in a way. Also, besides this glitch in the matrix trading system, I just didn't want to go off that. Like me and my friend was talking about this morning, you have to have at least 3 trading confluences. So let me go to the daily chart, and I'm going to show you the bias that I had based on ICT power of 3, okay? So let me go to the daily chart and explain what I mean. I may have to take the annotations off, okay? It's not going to be a long video. I just wanted to do a window review on glitch in the matrix trading system. So if you want to check out my other glitch in the matrix trading system wins, I need to create a playlist. I haven't created a playlist yet, but if you just type in GIM, or you just look at some of the videos on my YouTube page, and you'll see the other win reviews. Okay. Now this was a small win right here. You know, it wasn't like it wasn't $10,000 or $20,000. You know, it was just a small win, you know. I thought it would be more, but it was around $800 or so. You know, I thought it would be like $1,200 or so. But I didn't put on as much leverage as I thought. So let me take off these annotations. Okay. So I'm going to hide the drawings because I want to show you the ICT power of 3, hide all. Now check this out. I'm trying to show you why I had to win, because a lot of people are just going to tell you they won. Actually, I should have shot a video saying that price was going to come up there. I shot the video and the video went bad. So I feel bad because it would have looked better for you guys to see that I can predict price. But just check my before and after videos on YouTube. But I shot the video saying that price was going to come up to that purple line, but the video went bad. So that's why I did that. But anyway, so here's the power of 3. So you see this candle right here? If you see this price closed above the wick right here. So if you understand ICT, daily bias video, he talks about if price closes above the wick of the previous day's candle, most likely the target is to come up here above to take out this high up here. That don't mean that it's going to take it, but we're dealing in probabilities. So I saw this on the daily chart. Also, when I went to the DXY, I don't think I have it on here. Okay, so that's the bias I had for US 30 for price to go higher based on the daily power of 3. But also I want to show you shadow trading as well. So let me turn back on the annotations. I'm trying to see which pair I had the shadows on. Show all. Show. Okay, so now I got to go back down to the lower time frame, and I want to show the shadows. And I think I had the shadows. Oh, I had it on the futures contract. So let me go to the 1 hour chart and show you what I mean. I had it on the futures contract. I forget which one. I don't know if it was YM or ES. So let me go to the futures contract. I'm about to show you shadow trading. So this is multiple confluences that showed me. Here it is right here. Multiple confluences that showed me that price had to go higher. Now let's take a look at this. This is shadow trading. I actually created shadow trading. I didn't discover it or anything like that. ICT didn't show it to me. ICT showed me the first 5 trading days, and I came up with shadow trading on my own. See right here, it says ES and NQ. This is the futures. ES is the S&P 500 futures contract. NQ is the NAS 100 futures contract. So what I'm trying to tell you is that I had confirmation that price would come up to this green line here. Okay. And you see that right there. I actually shot a video. If you go back and look at my last 2 or 3 videos, I actually did a win review with price coming up here. I said that I had confirmation that price would hit this orange line. This is a standard deviation of the first 5 trading days. Okay. So if you put the Fibonacci on the first 5 trading days and put it at 25, 50, 75, and then 120, negative 125, negative 150, then you will create these standard deviations right here. Okay. ICT did show me this, but the shadow trading I came up with on my own. So what I'm trying to tell you is that at this candle right here, you see, look at the bottom. It says Wednesday the 24th at 12 p.m. What I'm trying to tell you is that ES and NQ, they were up here. They hit that purple, that turquoise line right there. This is a shadow trading that I came up with. Okay. So what I'm trying to tell you is that I had confirmation, quote unquote, that price will hit this yellow line, which I did a video when price went right there. I did a video on a win review for that. And I had confirmation that price will hit this green line. Actually, in that video, when I did the win review, I said that I had confirmation that price would come up to this line. And I said, it's probably going to come up here. Most likely, this is going to be the next target. Why? Because ES and NQ already hit this standard deviation right here. This is the 25% line. This is a 50% line. This is a 75% line. This is the 1% line. Okay. Of a standard deviation. This is first 5 trading days projected up. And so I had confirmation that price was going higher. You see what I'm saying? So I just showed you my glitch in the matrix trading system. I had confirmation that it was going higher. Then I'm over here showing you the shadows that I created, the shadow trade, and I had confirmation that it was going higher. And then I showed you the daily bias on the daily chart. Remember I just showed you that? I showed you that according to ICT's teachings, if we go to the daily chart, remember I just showed you that candle? Remember I just showed you this? Oh, Lord. Remember I just showed you that based on ICT's teaching, the power of 3, if price closes above the previous day's wick, see that wick right there, then most likely it's going to go for the target is going to be up here. That don't mean it's going to go up there, but this is the daily bias. So I had a daily bias that price had to go higher. And if you look at the chart, it actually gapped up. Okay. I know actually it gapped down. Let me go back to the 5-minute chart. I think it gapped down. Yeah, this is what I was afraid of. When I saw price gapping down, I was like, damn, it's probably going to hit my stop loss. Well, I didn't have a stop loss, but of course I had the alert down here. Okay. So I'm just doing a win review. Hopefully that made sense to you. Let me see. Oh, this is the broker I was using. So hopefully that made sense to you. I'm just showing you my glitch in the matrix trading system, shadow trading, and ICT daily bias, which helped me get a win. And I was happy to see this because I was worried it was going to hit my stop loss, but I was okay with the risk. But it went up here to this purple shaded area. I predicted that over the weekend. And yeah, so thanks for watching.